And what will we see here, Jack?
Lions, zebras, tigers, and
Warlocks?
no, warlocks.
Hey Genevieve, who was your favorite princess yesterday?
Belle.
Belle? She still is?
Handshakes. Put up your hand and hug. Oh,
Yay.
that's even better.
Grab your on and get out before that asteroid hits. Let's roll!
Jack, what did you think of that ride?
Bad.
Why?
This is exit right.
Because it's scary.
Sweet girl, what did you think? No? Mom and Dad loved it.
Mickey or something.
Good thing that dino didn't eat us.
See the black thing is the monkey and the yellow one is the monk.
Hey Viv, what does a monkey say? What? Hoo hoo. Ooh, ooh. What does a monkey's eyes look like?
Genevieve and Jack, look at you guys.
Here we are in African safari at Disney. A hippopotamus. There are two of them down there. Here he comes.
That's it, park's closed. You don't see this very often, the only car in the parking lot.